today we're going to be looking at adding, subtracting fractions with the common denominator. That means the same bottom number. Before though, we're going to do a quick check of vocabulary. So this is the fraction 4/5. It means 4 parts out of 5. So if we were to represent this visually using this wonky square, this has 5 parts to start with. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4/5 means we would shade in 4 of those sections. There's 2, 3 and 4 all coloured in. That's 4 out of the 5 sections. So we've got two other words, numerator and denominator. Numerator is the top number, denominator is the bottom. So if you take a sum like a quarter plus a quarter, what's the answer? Some people think it's 2/8, but this is wrong. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use some chocolate to help us. Both of these sections are the same size. There's 4 squares by 4 squares each. The difference between them is I've split this one into 4 pieces, quarters. In this one I've split into 8 pieces, so eighths. In our original sum we had quarter, so this is one of my quarters, plus another quarter equals 2/8. So let's pick up 2/8. This is 1 and 2. As you can see, these two pieces do not equal those two. So let's pop them back a second and reconsider this. So 1 quarter plus 1 quarter equals 4 of these 8s. This is what we call an equivalent fraction. So let's go back to the sum. If I've got 1 quarter plus 1 quarter, so there's 1 quarter, let's add another quarter. What do I have? Well, I've got 2 of the original 4 pieces. I've got 2 quarters. Here's my first quarter, here's my second quarter. So I've got 2 quarters. So 3/8 plus 2/8. So here's my 8ths of chocolate. So let's get 3/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, and add on another 2/8. So there's 1 and 2. How many 8s do I have in total? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. But there's still 8s. So this is 5/8. The thing to note is that we add the numerators, we leave the denominators as they are when they are the same. This only works when the denominators are the same. The same holds true for subtraction. So we've got 8 8s, which is a whole. So all of the 8 pieces, and we're going to take away 3 of those 8. So we'll get our chocolate out again. So I've got my 8 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is all of the pieces we have, and we're going to take away 3 of them. So there's the first one. There's my second one. Okay. And there's my third one. Okay, so what we've got left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So it's 5 out of the original 8. We have 5/8 left. This holds true for any sum you do. So for example, if you have 7/10, take away 5/10, the bottom numbers stay the same because the denominators are the same. 7 take away 5 is 2. And it works for everything where the denominators are the same. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to enjoy some more chocolate.